Hello, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel. Today, what's going on over here? So, what's going on is, I am in the gym, as you can see behind me, and I already got most of my workout in. I did the stair stepper, I did a couple of miles on the treadmill. Behind that door, that's the prayer room. I went in there and spoke to the Lord. Got my Bowflex. I need to work out on that and do some stretching here behind me on this purple mat, which you probably can't see. But so that's what I'm doing this morning. But I thought that this would be a great time to come in and just talk with you guys really quickly about one of the products that I got recently. Okay, so now, if you don't know, normally my channel is on home decor, DIYs, arts and crafts, gardening, things like that, because all the stuff that kind of corrals household things, which is, in my opinion, just creativity. But recently, I'm on this journey for self-care because I have needed some self-care for myself for a long time. So one of the things that I purchased recently that I see results in is this high frequency face treatment. Okay, now I'm pretty sure you've seen it all over the place. This is what it looks like. Okay, it comes with several different attachments, has a comb attachment. This one is the main face attachment, a spot attachment, and then this one is supposed to go around the eyes and, like around this area here and under here. Okay, so that's what that's for. With my kit, I got mine from Amazon. It also came with some tools for your face, which I'll show you that in a minute, but let's stick to the main unit here for a sec. So this is the main unit. It has a twister at the bottom here. So let's turn it on. Okay, you hear that? Okay, let's see how it works. Can you see the electricity going? Try to get real close so you guys can see it. You see that? I feel it. Okay, so what you do with this is, I wouldn't start on the highest level because it is electricity. Okay, put it on one of the lower levels and just come in. Make sure you're not going, you can put a serum on if you choose to. My skin is oily already, okay, so it don't need a serum. You want to make sure you're going up. Now what this is doing, it is bringing more blood circulation to that area. It is killing bacteria and it is tightening your skin. Okay, so out and around. Okay, always up, never down. Okay, you don't want to be pulling your skin down. You want to keep it youthful and up. Okay, so treat the area, go over it maybe twice in each section. And it does have a little smell, kind of smells like a battery. I think because it's burning the oil in your skin. That's what I'm guessing. Okay, but you definitely are going to feel it. It's not too bad. This one isn't, depending on how high you turn it up. Now for some people who turn it up extra high, it might hurt. Right now it just feels like a little sting. Okay, you can get close enough, you see it. It actually has a purple glow in there. So you're just going to go up and around your face. Like I said, this will kill the bacteria, dry up those toxic oils that are in your face. It helps with acne. It helps with discolored pigmentation. It helps to tighten the skin. It helps bring blood to the skin, which will help with the collagen. Okay, so that's the first wand. That's how you would use that. You would go straight up here on your nose. Okay, and over. You're pushing it towards your lymph nodes. Pushing it out. Okay, so on the forehead, you're going across and down to where your ear is. Okay, under your eye, you're going up. This can also help raise your eyebrows. Okay, like I said, you will feel a sting. Now let me tell you what I've discovered with this machine, and I've only used it several times. I have really big pores on my nose, oil pores. I never get like blackheads, but it's like little oil pores, and I absolutely hate it. I've never liked it. I've always battled with it. It's always been an issue. And I used this one time, and I have noticed already that the pores on my face appear smaller. I say appear smaller because pores can't actually shrink from what I've read. They can't shrink, but removing the oil from them can make them appear smaller, okay? And so this thing already, from just really 2 uses, this is my 3rd time using it. So here's the next tool we're using, okay? And we're just gonna use this. Ooh, that one stung a little bit. Ooh, Lord. Careful. Now, I will say that with the different tools, it's different amounts. You'll see. You'll see in the next one I use the spot. That one actually does hurt. This one can hurt if you have it up too high. But that spot one, honey, be prepared. Okay, now like I said, you could use a serum when you're doing this. I'm not going to use a serum because my face, as you can see, is oily enough. I don't need a serum, okay? It does smell like, I can't even, like a battery. All right, so I'm just going to go over my nose. It is going to be more tender in the tender spots of your face. Just be aware of that. Okay. Some people I know spray like a little bit of numbing cream on their face when they do this, if they're going to have it up at a very high level. I haven't done that yet. I kind of enjoy it a little bit, because I feel like, oh, it's working, But it's not too bad. I feel that every woman over 35 and or 40 needs one of these. Any woman dealing with acne scars, like I got a little blemish right there. Let me turn my light up so you can see. So I've got a little blemish right there, if you can see it. So I'm gonna focus on that, okay? Focus on lifting my eyes. Now, do not put this directly in your eye, to your eye like your retina. Don't be looking at this because it is electric currents, okay? We want to make sure we can see after this treatment, all right? I find that this does better on your chin. You can go down right here because it's going to be under here is where your lymph nodes are. So, right here you can go down. So this is to get into those little tough spots, okay? So that's that one. That's how you use that one. Make sure you always turn the unit off. Oh, by the way, I paid $40 for this unit, which is a steal. Now, if you look on Groupon or if you look even online in your local area at spas, they charge $80 to $100 and something for one of these treatments. Same machine. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. All right. This one hurts. I'm not gonna even lie to you, and I'm gonna show you what I mean on my hand. Let me see. Because I care. Because I love y'all. I'm gonna show you. Okay. You can see this one. See how close I can get. Y'all can see this. Y'all see that electricity? Can you see it? Let me go a little up. Just because I love y'all. Ooh, you see that? I know y'all see that. Okay. So this one ain't no joke. But you see the spot right here? Ooh, Lord. Oh. Just do it, Mo. Just do it. Oh, I feel that. Oh, that hurt. Oh, my toes, y'all. Woo. That one and this one. Oh, Jesus. Woo. That hurt. Okay, that's all we doing with that one. This one ain't no joke. Okay. This one make your toes curl in the wrong way. That's for emergency use only. Okay? Oh, but I'm gonna tell you what, I did it the other day and I noticed already that this one is doing a lot better than what it was. Okay, last one. This is the comb. This is great for women who, like I have some friends who used to get their hair done when they were little and the ponytails were too tight and they don't have it ripped out some of their edges permanently. And from what I'm hearing, a lot of women who have that problem, they've been using this to kind of regrow their edges. And then they've also been using, let's see here, this one to help grow more eyebrows, which is why you saw me go across my eyebrows with this. I need more eyebrows, okay? These are like a stained gel eyebrow. It's not, those are not mine. And it's not that I plucked them or tweezed them or shaved them. I just really don't have any. I got a whole bunch of hair on my head, but I don't have no eyebrows, okay? And lashes either. Those aren't mine. Okay, so I need it for my eyebrows. Some might need it for their hairline. If nothing else, if you're trying to grow your hair out, this is also great to help grow your hair out. And you would just go in right here to help stimulate the follicles in your hair, bring more blood circulation to it. You can go through your whole head. You can part your hair and go through different sections of your scalp and just kind of give yourself a good massage all over your head. And it's going to help stimulate, bring more blood flow, and grow. Okay, so I'll be getting back to you guys on the review of my hair growth probably in a month. Okay, now do not use an oil when you're using this. You can use a serum. Don't put like coconut oil and stuff like that on your face. It's just, you know, there's different things that are good conductors, you know. Oil is not one of those. Just saying, okay? So that is the facial machine. Let me show you what little, I guess they call it a free gift that they sent as well. I will leave the link down below, of course, of where I got this, okay? If you over 30, don't do that whole black don't crack thing, ladies who are of African-American descent. Don't do that because, you know, it'll take longer for the black to crack, but eventually it might start cracking. Just saying. Not saying, you know, in my family, people in their 70s and 80s and still look great, don't hardly have any wrinkles, but every family's different. I've seen some families that, you know, don't wrinkle at all, and then some that do. So these are the tools that came with my little kit. This was, they said it was for free. All face tools. Okay, there's that one. Stuff to hurt yourself with is what it looked like. This stuff looked dangerous. You know, but needed. Sometimes you gotta dig, sometimes you gotta push. You know, that's for pushing and getting all the stuff out of your face. A nice pair of tweezers. What girl can't use that, right? Nice sharp pair of tweezers there. So that's the little kit. And I do like that it has a own little carrying case. That's nice. Okay, so handy dandy carrying case. So that is, and it's packaged like this because it's glass. So, you know, you got to be careful with this. I'm trying to figure out how I want to store it permanently because I don't want it to break. And then this is what the box looks like. Sometimes it'll have a woman on there. Sometimes it'll have, you know, the person holding it like that. It just depends on which box they send you. Okay, and again, that is the high frequency facial treatment. Now, I have some other treatments too that I'm going to be showing you guys in the next video. But yeah, just back to my main point, ladies. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Self-care is very important. As I've spoken about in my last video, I'm going to be getting some cosmetic surgery done to try to get this mommy body back into a Monique Shante body. Okay, so I'm going to be getting a BBL 360 lipo, and I might be getting a tummy tuck. That is still up in the grab. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. But at home, I'm already, as you can see, working out, trying to lose the weight, trying to just take better care of myself, better care of my skin. I am getting older. I need to take care of my skin. So sometimes we go too long. We put everything before us, everyone before us, which in some cases is a necessary thing to do, especially when it's concerning children. But don't, what's that? Dry skin, sorry y'all. Don't allow yourself to just be invisible, okay? It's very important that you spend time caring for you. Otherwise, you'll look up and be an old lady full of regret, anger, and ugliness because you didn't tend to yourself. And I don't mean just ugliness physically. Let's be honest. You can be ugly physically. People say, oh, everyone's beautiful. Yes, everyone is. But take care of what God gave you, okay? Take care of your skin. Take care of your teeth. Take care of everything he gave you. Do the best you can with what you got. As I always say, repurpose, recycle, reuse, stay wrapped in scraps, right? And this is a part of that, this journey that I'm going on to be a better, healthier me. I want to feel I want to look like, again, because there was a time where I felt like my outside matched my inside. I feel that I'm a beautiful person. I've always worked very hard to be loving, caring, kind, and all that good stuff. So I want my outside to reflect my inside. I know some people are just trying to get their outside to look good so people will think they're wonderful inside. I don't need anyone's approval on that. I'm very confident in who I am and have always been. My thing is, I want, as an adult, you know, we all go through those issues when we're a teenager in high school and middle school and all that. But as an adult, I've always been very assured in who I am, okay? And I like me. Now, a lot of people have said, "Oh, you're so conceited. Oh, you're arrogant. Oh, you're so vain." I'm none of that. I'm proud of who I am. I like who I am. God made me. I'm happy to be here. And I just want to do the best I can do with what I have. Okay? So, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, quick and to the point. I hope everyone's having a good day. I hope everyone is taking care of themselves. Do something nice for you today, please. Okay? Stay wrapped in scraps. Stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.